let's talk about Lyft is adding pay for multi-stop trips.
Yeah. How do you
Wait a
like
minute.
that? No, this is not that one.
There
That
we
one
go.
right there. So, folks, rejoice. They're throwing an extra buck
Woohoo!
above and beyond your wait time pay.
Woo!
Are you being facetious?
Oh God, yeah.
Okay. Um. Okay. Well, dollar. So it's $1. You guys are going to get an extra $1 if a stop is added. Hey, you know. Now I have news for you, Lyft. I don't know of any driver. First of all, most of them don't do multi-stop trips, but then, as you know,
Oh, that's
riders are
probably why they're
smart.
offering the extra $1.
Riders are smart, right? What they do, they don't put the multi-stop for it to show on the initial ping. Either they get in the car and they add the stop, or right after they order on your way there, they add the stop. And so now Lyft decided to open the purse strings and give you guys an extra $1 if they. I don't think this is gonna, you know. I don't think an extra $1 is going to change anybody's mind to accept multi-stop trips if they were not accepting before. What say you?
I don't think it is because are you going to pay me for the extra mileage that I have to drive to the stop and then the wait time and all of that shit? I mean, come on.
Well, no, this is
Like,
in addition to the wait time at the
yeah,
stop.
but we all know that the wait time is an absolute joke too. So,
Well, we know that, yeah. So I don't think
so
$1
is
is
it
good
worth it?
enough.
No.
Yeah, I don't think $1 is going to do it. But I think if they sweeten this a little bit more, look, all these things they're doing is because they have the data. The data shows when it's multi-stop trips, nobody's accepting it from the get-go. And if a rider gets in the car and puts the driver in a horrible situation, adding a stop, what are you going to do? You're going to kick him out? No. If you kick him out, they complain, you get deactivated. So the driver is a loss in this for sure. And I don't think a buck is going to do it, but maybe a $5 will do it.
Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guide. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Yeah, I mean, I think it all depends on the enticement, but wait until they add the stop mid-ride, and then where's that $1 bonus? Oh, I'm sorry. No, that's the right price. We're gonna pay you less though. Okay.
Well, one thing that actually kind of gave me the heads up on this is, do you see the last sentence? The bonus will be included in the amount you see up front. You know what can happen there, right?
Oh yeah, change the numbers.
Shave. See this upfront thing, bro. I'm telling you, it's been nothing but a can of worm after can of worm.
Oh, well, don't you worry. We're going to be talking about the shenanigans that Lyft is pulling in a little while.
Yeah, we are.
And some of the crazy shit there. So buckle up, everybody. But when it comes to upfront, I mean, how many times have we shown that they add something and it just switches because the base fare gets dropped, and then they finagle the numbers a little bit to make it look like you're getting more, but you're really not.
Yeah, okay, I agree with that. Yeah, but then I don't think the rider gives a rat's ass what you have coming up. When they had a trip while you started the trip, and I guarantee you they're going to give you a 1 star and probably complain. And this is a headache. So it's really a tough situation for the drivers, these multi-stop trips.
Yep. So the question is, do you think it's worth it for the extra $1 or not? And if you don't think it's worth it, what would be the price that would sweeten the deal for you? Put it in the comments below and let us know.
$5 is a good opening argument here.
Yeah, I think it depends on,
especially if it's a short one. If it's a short trip, you know, a fiber, it could be like 100% surge there. So
yeah, we'll see. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.